Introducing the Interceptor, a men's motorcycle leather vest, 1.3 to 1.4 millimeters thick. A clean V-neck style keeps it classic, while side lacing adds that unmistakable MC look. The front opens with 4 classic snaps. Utility meets function with 2 outside hand pockets, 2 inside Conceal Carry pockets with snaps, and an inside cell phone pocket for the essentials. A heavy-duty inner liner, reinforced stitching, and durable thread make the Interceptor as tough on the inside as it looks on the outside. The single-panel back is perfect for custom patches and personalization. Reinforced shoulder support adds strength where it counts, and a hanging loop ensures it's ready whenever you are. Shop now at danielsmartmfg.com.